Welcome back, everyone. You may be having an issue where for some reason the Google speech services are just not downloading on your phone. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, but most probably why this is happening is because you don't have a network connection or a solid network connection on your device. So, what you want to do is you want to hop inside of your settings application like this. You don't want to go in and under network and internet, and all you want to do is make sure that you have or are connected to a network connection. Like I mentioned, sometimes this can be the issue. Actually, most of the time, this is the issue. And all you have to do is pretty much just connect to a network connection, and you should be good to go for the most part. Again, it's not a guarantee, but it is just one way to fix it. Now, once you're connected, what you want to do is you want to make your way over to the Google application. So you want to click on Google like this. You'll probably come into this page. And what you want to do here on the top right corner, you want to go and click on your little icon up here. You want to go ahead and type in or click on settings, which is right here. You don't want to go under voice, which is right here. And all you want to do is you want to see this little offline speech recognition. As long as you're connected to Wi-Fi, you can click here and you will see the actual, languages that are trying to be downloaded or will download in the future. So you can see download languages right here. What you want to do is you want to click here and you just want to go ahead and it'll say version 7. It'll say size of the disk is, whatever. Now you can uninstall it if you want to and reinstall it, but most of the time you should be able to click all and you should be able to see all the languages right here. So you can download any of the languages that you want. You can download Singapore, you can download UK, you can download whatever type of language of which specific, country you want. And at that point you'll be able to download these, and that's really all you have to do. Now there can be still some issues that you may have. Sometimes you may just have to hop out of it like this, go back into it, and then may end up fixing it. Another thing you can do is to temporarily stop or force stop or clear the cache of the actual application. So you can go under apps right here. You can go under see all apps, which is right here. And then you want to scroll down to the speech and recognition application portion. So you can go down like over here, right here, speech services by Google. Click here. You just want to force stop it, which is typically what I do. You can also go ahead and clear cache, wherever that is, storage and cache. You can clear it if you want to, but typically you should be good to go. And that's really all you have to do. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.